Certainly delighted that you could get out of bed at this ungodly hour again. Really appreciate it. Before we get started here, we're going to do a simple chiropractic adjustment on this wonderful patient who's going to close her eyes, please, and just gaze beyond the horizon there. And there's nobody here. Now we're going to check out the neck. All right. Okay, this is very obvious. So I'm going to do C7 left. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to check the other side. Okay, I'm also going to do Atlas on the right. Okay, keep your eyes closed now. Go to sleep. Chin up a little bit. Excellent. Perfect. Okay, you're cured now. Thank you very much. So that was a real chiropractic adjustment. We just restored the integrity of the nervous system, triggered the proprioceptors to wake up the brain and normalize the spine. This is Caprice. Now, Caprice turned up in my garage one day, starving and abandoned. So she would do this thing sometimes where she would run around the yard or run around. She would be breathless and she would get a drink of water, and then she would frequently go into shortness of breath. She couldn't catch her breath for a minute. So I did the most desultory adjustment of Caprice using a technique with which I'm not proficient. One adjustment, one time, no more asthma attacks. Because of the busyness of daily life and all the things we're responsible for and concerned about, sometimes an awareness of the unlimited abundance and potential and the sublime nature of the power of chiropractic, not some kind of academic construct. That's a real, physical, ordinary, everyday event.